Cite's sponsored PCBWay is far and away one of the coolest in my biased and humble opinion. Designing custom PCB has never been easier. If you have an idea, PCBWay can help you implement that idea and put it to practical use. Select your sizing, material, colors, quantity, quality, all in one spot. You don't have to have a factory or to start from scratch in a garage anymore. Get your idea out of your head and build something to use. Check out the link down below to get started. Hey guys, what's up? It's Matt with 86. So here I am today with Bestisan's SR04Fs. That's F as in Frank, not the regular SR04s. You'll find something a little different if you search just SR04s. But the SR04Fs, they have everything I like about the SR02s, but meet sort of an aesthetic quality I was more or less looking for, at least for here in my office. What's included in the box is pretty simple. You're going to get an RCA left-right, speaker cable to connect the two, and an AC power adapter, as well as the speakers themselves. You also get a 3.5mm to RCA with it. Let's do a quick sound test, keeping in mind I do my best to record the speakers, but no recorded speaker will sound as good as they do in person. It's a mic recording sound played back over your own listening device. Hopefully it will give you some sort of rough idea though. I'll be using a song we're familiar with, Liquid's Sweet, on a personal cut printer vinyl 180 gram polycarbonate vinyl played over a turntable. In my opinion, these are not different enough to recommend them over the regular old SR02s, but they are different enough to be worth checking out and forming your own opinion about. The cabinets are a faux sandwood design on mine, and with some removable grill technology that they have on the SR02s, they can be taken off and reveal a sheen gray-like silverish paint job underneath the grill if this is more your style. A notable difference in these is they move air out of the port in the back versus out of the port in the front on the SR02s. This makes the woofer tweeter combo stand alone in the front, so it's a lot more of a cleaner aesthetic, I think. The bass and volume are adjusted on the back exactly the same as the SR02s. There's no mids or treble adjustments here. Depressing the volume knob will select between the output modes such as line 1 and 2, Bluetooth, or to place them in standby mode, just like with the SR02s. The SR04Fs use Bluetooth 5 in case you are wondering for compatibility issues. Not to make this a comparison video between the SR02s and the SR04Fs, but they are virtually the same specification across the board with the exception of the woofer port location. I would anticipate a relatively satisfactory, well-rounded, and enjoyable experience that's almost exactly on par with the SR02s. The port on the back makes a mild difference to me in person, but not a better or worse difference really. So I know this one was pretty short and sweet. I hope it was somewhat helpful to you and showed you a little bit and at least gave you something to listen to hopefully make an informed decision off of. You guys have a great day, night, whatever it is, and I'll see you in the next video that I do.